Hello everyone! Today I will be presenting my e-math assignment. My goal for today is to analyze whether the average time teens spend on their phones differ from the established population mean of 7.37 hours. First, let's look at the data I have collected from 30 teens. The sample shows that the average time teens spend on their phones is approximately 6.2 hours, which translates to 372 minutes. The standard deviation of this sample is about 2.14 hours or 128.4 minutes. This indicates a significant spread of how much time different teens spend on their phones. To understand this better, we can calculate the confidence interval. Using a significant level of 5%, we can determine the range in which we can be 95% confident where the true population mean lies. The confidence interval in our sample is calculated to be between 4.06 and 8.34 hours. This means we are fairly certain that the average time teens spend on their phones falls within this range. Next, we need to conduct a hypothesis test. Our null hypothesis states that the average time teens spend on their phones is equal to the population mean of 7.37 hours. To test this, we have performed a two-tailed t-test because we are looking for differences in both directions. The calculated test statistic is approximately -3, which suggests a very small difference between our sample mean and population mean. Now, let's calculate the p-value. The p-value tells us the probability of observing a test statistic like the one we observed. Under the assumption that the null hypothesis is true, the p-value that in our case, the p-value is less than the alpha, leading us to reject the null hypothesis. This indicates strong evidence that the average time teens spend on their phones is indeed different from the population mean. In conclusion, our analysis reveals that teens are spending time on their phones but less than the population mean. With the average time of 6.2 hours or 372 minutes, the data that we have collected disproves the claim of teens being addicted to their phones. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.